Today, we're going to build an all-terrain tactical enforcer using 16 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
To create the body of our tactical enforcer, we're going to get one of these 1x2 by 2/3 bricks with studs on both sides and a Travis brick. We're going to put the Travis brick onto that front stud, the front small stud of that brick here to create the body. Now on top here, to kind of smooth it out and give it some girth, on the back stud, we're going to get a 1x1 light bluish gray plate and put it right there on top of that back stud. And now next thing we're going to do is we're going to get one of these 1x2 slopes with no studs, and we're going to put it so it goes on top of that plate and over kind of this ugly piece. And this is where I'm kind of changing it up from Lego's advent calendar design, because I didn't like that piece sticking out. I think this kind of smooths it out and makes it look closer to the ATTEs we see in the film. Now in the center stud here, on the center stud, we're going to get a dark red 1x1 plate and put it right on the stud, and that's going to be those Republic red colors that these ATTEs have. And then on top of that plate, we're going to get a 1x1 tile piece, and we're going to put that on top of that red plate we just put in to smooth out the top there, and again give it that more armored and intimidating look. Now on the front here, we need to add a gun, but before we put the gun on, we're going to put a 1x1 round plate with hole in the stud right there on top, and that way we still have room to put our little hose nozzle, our utility hose nozzle, into that hole and create a gun for our ATTE. And now we still have to create the cockpit area. And to create the cockpit area, we're going to do just what Lego did for their advent calendar. We get a 1x1 dark red plate, put it in front, and then on top of that dark red plate, we're going to get one of these cheese wedge slopes in translucent black and have it so that the fatter end is at the top and it slopes down to the bottom or the ground. And here we have the body of our ATTE. And to do the legs, all we're going to do is grab 6 of these tap pieces and put them into these holes in the sides of our studs, which is why we're using these 2 particular bricks, because they got those holes that these tap pieces can fit into. And the nice thing about this design is these legs do move, so you can kind of put it in different positions and poses as you create little dioramas and scenes of your Republic and Separatist battles. But here you have your completed ATTE.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and you can click on the image to watch another video. Until next time, let's keep building together.